just packed all our stuff up and we are just about to leave to go to the
cruise terminal.
I'm like, I need to write anything down.
Hello.
Hello.
We've got the key for 3 people.
Thank you guys. Have a good cruise guys.
Thank you.
Have you had a rat test done the last 24 hours?
Yes.
Can you get any photos of those?
I have photos and I have the rat test as well.
Oh, just the photos are fine. Look at that. Can't use that in the building,
Yeah.
don't forget.
Oh god, I can't get
It's like the airport, they get it.
Thank you.
Did you get some on the ship?
Yeah, I did actually.
Yeah, good. 1, 2.
these.
It was Easter. There we go. Lovely. Go on straight through, guys. Thank you.
How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you? 3 of us today.
Rebecca?
Rebecca and...
Thank you, come through.
Thank you. Hello.
Scan your card here.
It's Rebecca.
That's Rebecca.
Me,
One
that-
onward.
Thank you. Hello.
So you know where your master station is?
Oh,
That right there, C3.
Oh, C3.
Yeah, right there. You can see the main line of the
Yep,
green sign.
yep.
Over there, checking with them. After that, you're free to explore the ship. Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you. Hello.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Other guys, C3
Hi, mate.
or C4?
C3.
Perfect. I just need your boarding pass.
First one.
Just need to scan on. Perfect. You guys are checked in. Enjoy your holiday.
Awesome. Thank you.
Michael, Olivia, and Rebecca. Any bag?
Oh, yes, please. These two.
Okay, just this on the side. Do you have a luggage tag in your bag?
Yep.
Both bags. And this way, please.
Thank you.
Stateroom number?
Okay. Okay, 3 bags.
Yes, please.
Just follow them, okay?
Okay.
Enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you.
To see them.
Welcome back to Stateroom.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Olivia. Oh.
One.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello. Welcome to Lemonade. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll sit here. Hey guys.
Hello. We are at the Grande something dining. Yeah.
How do you think, Olive? Nice? Checking out our key room.
The
Oh, thank you. Great.
I'm so greedy.
On the back of the menu, it has $10 to make.
So this is the wild mushroom soup for entree. And Becca got the Caesar salad for entree. And Olive just got her whole meal. What'd you get, Olive?
I got the
Cheeseburger?
hamburger.
Hamburger and chips.
Chips.
Are they crunchy chips? What's in
I don't know.
Check out the size of this fruit.
Jumbo
Like fruit.
Thank you.
This smells
How's the steak?
Oh, it's really good actually. This is cooked really nicely and yeah, really good. Happy with this. Only 2 cookies. How many did you want?
So what did you
A
get for
whole
dessert?
packet?
No, like
What did you get for dessert with your kids' meal, Olive?
I got cookies. You can also get ice cream.
You wanted cookies. How many cookies?
2
What flavour?
chocolate chip.
So for dessert we have the chocolate cake. And we have the
New York
cheesecake.
cheesecake. New York cheesecake.
New York cheesecake.
Let's try it out.
Alright, try it out.
My finished cookies.
We're not.
Nice and soft.
No, I don't really like cheesecake.
You might not know.
Mmm. Nice moist chocolate cake.
Which one are we?
6-1.
Our race, yeah.
What are we?
No, don't tell her, don't tell her, don't tell her.
See if you can find our bags.
617.
It's our bags. I don't think I can see our bags.
Oh.
What room are we?
614. I thought we were 611.
This is 11614. Ta-da!
Oh, let's try to go in the other room.
Here's where we go.
So we just tried out the coffee card that we pre-purchased on the app, and we're at La Patisserie, and basically they just give you a little cardboard card. It's got 15 drinks on it. The cold drinks are 2 per drink, and the large drinks are 2 per drink, and small hot drinks are 1, like stamp per drink I guess you'd call it. You can use it at a few places like Windjammer, 270, and here at La Patisserie.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Quantum of the Seas.
Hello. Can I grab 2 slices of pepperoni, please?
Okay.
Thank you very much. And some cheesy pizza. Pepperoni. This is called Sorrentos.
There's one in the background.
What did you get?
Got a mango mousse and a pistachio. There was a few in there, like an apricot pie, some little slider kind of sandwiches, quite good. And then the coffee and stuff, free. Complimentary, I'm calling it, not free.
So we're at the American Icon Grille,
I like the sound of the southern
and this is one of the complimentary restaurants on one of the seats. This is the menu. Quite a nice atmosphere in here. So what did you get for your entree?
I got the roasted tomato soup.
How is it?
Yum.
And you also got the roasted tomato soup?
I did.
And I got the Caesar salad. What did you get this time, Olive?
I got the spaghetti bolognese.
And Daddy got the southern fried chicken.
That's honey. Oh. Spicy. You can have it. Well done.
What do you got, Olive?
I got the, wait, what did I get?
Chocolate custard something?
Chocolate custard. What do you reckon?
That pattern kind of reminds me of like a vanilla slice. Looks good.
You really like custard.
Be amazed, be very amazed. Chocolate ice cream. He gave it to the kid, he gave it to Olive first. That's embarrassing. Hey guys, so we are at 270 and we are waiting for some kind of fireworks display at 9 p.m. So we've got 20 minutes to chill out. We found this nice couch here. And this is 270 and I guess they're just going to display like the fireworks on all these screens and stuff. So there's screens that move up and down. We've seen them on the show. Let's see what it's like. Thanks for joining us, FAMBAM. Make sure to stay tuned for this awesome South Pacific Island cruise. We have so much in store for you, you just won't want to miss it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.